Here I have Vivax Fly 6, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So firstly, you'll have to go to the upper bar, and here you have to find the button Screen Recorder. Tap on it once, and after that you will see this exposing sensitive info during casting recording. Then tap Start Now, and after that recording starts. Here you can see this recording menu, so let's record some of our screen. And everything what you can do with this screen recorder, just stop recording, and after that recording will be saved to the gallery. Please no. And here it is in the screen recorder album, and here it is our recording. And from here you can share, edit or delete this recording. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.